know, Kalamandir is a decade-old trusted brand and we do not compromise with our quality. Let me also tell you that Kalamandir showrooms are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. I will also tell you the purchasing process of our sarees. The first way is to take a screenshot of the saree or the saree code and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, or else check the description box below for your favorite saree link. Press onto it and it will direct you to our main website. From there you can shop very easily. Also get great discounts all throughout the year. So today I'm going to be presenting a very gorgeous and simple collection from Kalamandir that is called Banarsi weaving Kora sarees, and also it is a 30% off only for 24 hours. So let us begin with the first saree, the one that I'm wearing, a gorgeous red and green combination, dark green body with florals, and then comes the border of the saree which is contrasting in color, and you will find entire saree covered in gold zari work. Let's check out the pallu of the saree, contrasting in color, completely zari woven, and you'll find beautiful floral zari work all over it. And now let me show you the blouse piece of this saree. Here is the blouse piece, again contrasting in color and is fully zari woven. Let's check out the pricing details. Saree code is CH601, actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this saree, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So yes, let us begin with this amazing collection that I have for you all today. Also as a reminder, it is a 30% off only for 24 hours. Okay, so let us move on and check out this beautiful green and blue combination. And today I have a lot of greens, orange, reds and blues for you, also pink. So check this out, lovely blue colored body, combination of green. Then comes florals on the entire body, and you'll see it's completely covered with zari work only. And here is the border of the saree, contrasting in color and entirely covered with florals. Check out the pallu of this saree. It is completely zari woven and is contrasting in color again. Blue and green combination like I told you. A very beautiful saree. Here is the blouse piece and it has brocade work all over it and is in contrasting color. Check it out. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Saree code is CH552, actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this saree, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, let us get in touch with our beautiful viewers here today. We have Gaurama Srinivas. Hi, good evening. A very good evening to you, Gaurama Srinivas जी. आपका नाम हमेशा हमारी स्क्रीन पे दिखता रहता है, हमारे लाइव शो पे दिखता है. मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आता है कि आप हमेशा इतने प्यारे प्यारे कमेंट्स डालते रहते हैं. Then we have Shanti saying, hi, very good evening, ma'am. You're looking beautiful. Thank you so much for your lovely compliment and a very good evening to you. Please stay tuned till the entire show gets over because I have a wonderful collection for you all. Then we have Radha here saying hi. जी राधा मैम, आपका बहुत बहुत वेलकम है हमारे शो पे. प्लीज़ हमारा शो देखते रहें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए, जो कि है कलामंदिर यूट्यूब पे, कलामंदिर फैशंस इंस्टाग्राम पे और कलामंदिर फेसबुक पर. तो चलिए अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट सारी. बहुत ही प्यारी कलेक्शन है आज हमारे पास यहाँ पर, बनारसी कोरा साड़ीज़ जिसे हम कहते हैं. एंड ये रहा ऑरेंज कलर साड़ी विथ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डार्क ग्रीन. जैसे आप बॉडी पर देख सकते हैं, पूरा का पूरा फ्लोरल्स का काम किया गया है और ये है पूरा जरी वीविंग वर्क. फिर आता है इसका बॉर्डर जो कि है कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर और इस पर आप पाएंगे ब्रॉन्ज जरी वर्क. और यहाँ थोड़ा बहुत फ्लोरल्स का काम किया गया है जो कि थ्रेड वीविंग वर्क में है. फिर आता है इसका पल्लू, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर और ब्रोकेड वर्क पाएंगे आप इसके पूरे पल्लू पर. इसकी ब्लाउज पीस मैं आपको दिखा दूं, बहुत ही प्यारी ब्लाउज पीस है, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर एंड पूरा का पूरा ब्रोकेड वर्क में कवर किया गया है. प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स देख ले एक बार. सारी कोड CH549, एक्चुअल प्राइस 3,950 rupees and offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, then we have Pinky Gupta, Sunita Kohli, Narayana Bhatt, Seema Jadhav and Kanti Bhaskar here saying hello, hi and Okay, we have a lovely comment here saying hi, beautiful from Minky Gupta. Thank you so much and welcome to all of you to our show. Today I have a fantastic collection here called Banarsi Kora Weaving Sarees. Please stay tuned till the entire show gets over. Also, if you have a specific choice of color that you want to see from this collection, let me know. And as I mentioned, I have a lot of green, pink, red and yellow also today. So let me know. So then we have Anjali here, Anjali Kohli, saying hi, good evening ma'am, beautiful sarees. Good evening to you Anjali ma'am, and thank you for your lovely compliment. Please stay tuned till the entire show. We have Bhargavi saying hi. Then we have Kalavati and okay, so Kalavati and Bhargavi ji, welcome to our show and a very hello to you. So Uma here saying hi and Bhargavi again says nice collection. Thank you so much and welcome to all of you. Please go and subscribe to our channel and you can stay updated with our latest videos every time we upload it, okay? I'm going to move on and show you the sarees now. Wonderful collection. Absolutely stunning pieces today. Here is the next one, pink and blue combination. A very pretty combination here. And as you see on the entire body, you will find florals in gold zari work. It is not too heavy and the work is also very subtle. Then comes the border of the sari, slightly broad, but you will find beautiful work of florals in thread weaving and zari weaving work. Here is the pallu of the sari, contrasting in color and completely covered with brocade work on it. Let me show you the blouse piece now. Here is the blouse piece, contrasting in color again and full brocade work all over it. So the blouse piece is going to be common in all the sarees that I'll show you, completely covered with zari work and brocade work on it. Here are the pricing details for this pink and blue sari. Sari code CH565, actual price 3,950. Offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. तो यस मैं अपने सारे व्यूअर्स को ये बताना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप अपनी पसंद का कोई कलेक्शन देखना चाहे जो मैं अभी नहीं दिखा रही हूँ या फिर अपने पसंद का कलर देखना चाहे तो आप हमारे से जुड़ सकते हैं हमारे वीडियो कॉलिंग फैसिलिटी के थ्रू। आपको बस इतना करना है कि हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे एक मैसेज डाल दीजिए जो कि है 9852985299। फिर हम वहाँ से आपसे जुड़ जाएंगे और आप अपनी पसंद की कलेक्शन या कुछ और साड़ीज़ देखना चाहें, कोई और कलर देखना चाहें, वहीं से देख सकते हैं। सो येस, लेट अस मूव ऑन एंड आई विल शो यू द नेक्स्ट साड़ी। तो ये अगला साड़ी है ब्लू और ग्रीन कॉम्बिनेशन में एंड इसके बॉडी पर आप थोड़ा अलग सा पैटर्न पाएंगे। इस बार थोड़े बॉक्स शेप के पैटर्न्स हैं पर ये सब जरी का ही काम है। पूरी की पूरी साड़ी पर जरी का काम किया गया है। फिर आता है इसका बॉर्डर, हल्का सा ब्रॉड सा बॉर्डर है इस साड़ी पर यहाँ पर आप पाएंगे थ्रेड वीविंग वर्क और जरी का काम। फिर आता है इसका पल्लू जो कि है कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर एंड इस पर आप जरी ब्रोकेड वर्क देख सकते हैं। एंड हियर इज द ब्लाउज पीस। ये है इसका ब्लाउज पीस, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर पे है और अगर आप नज़दीक से देखें इसको तो इसके ऊपर आप पाएंगे टीयर ड्रॉप शेप के बुटीज गोल्ड जरी के काम में। प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स देख लें एक बार। साड़ी कोड CH596, एक्चुअल प्राइस 3,950 एंड ऑफर प्राइस इज 2,770. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we have Seema Jadhav here saying very nice sari. Thank you Seema जी, प्लीज़ हमारे शो को एंड तक देखते रहना। फिर आते हैं हमारे साथ भार्गवी। So Bhargavi here is requesting for a maroon color sari. So ma'am, actually I have a lot of red colors today, but just in case I'm not able to show you maroon today from our collection, what you can do is please request for a video calling facility and just put in a message on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. From there we will show you your favorite maroon colored sari. But for today I'm a little doubtful if I have maroon or not, but I do have red, and if you like red, please do wait and check out for the sari. So yes, let us move on and see the next sari, and I will get back in touch with you all shortly. Very lovely collection today. There you go. This is the next sari, yellow and blue combination. and you can find floral work on the entire body, and as I told you, it is in box shape design. Minimal work but makes the sari look very beautiful. Here is the border of the sari, florals on the entire border, again thread and zari weaving work. Then comes the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting in color and is completely zari woven. And like I said, you will find buttis in the shape of raindrops. Similarly, like the pallu has a raindrop pattern all over it, the blouse piece is also completely filled with it, and it is in contrasting color. Goes very beautifully with this yellow color combination. Okay, let me show you the pricing details. Sari code CH608. Actual price is 3,950. Offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, to all my viewers, do you know how to follow our social media handles? If not, please go check out this video and I will be right back.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Everybody, and let me continue presenting to you this very gorgeous collection called Banarsi Kora weaving sarees, which is at 30% off only for 24 hours. Also, I am extremely excited to announce to you all that recently we had a grand opening of a new store in Kasba Bazaar, Khammam, Telangana. So I will request all our Khammam viewers and customers to please go and pay a visit to our store. Also, please start shopping as Pongal is around the corner. It is just very close. So please go and start shopping soon. So yes, let us get in touch with you all. We have Shikha Sharma here saying hi, something in red. Definitely ma'am, I have a red sari coming up for you. Please stay tuned with us. Then we have Seema Jada saying lovely colors. Thank you so much ma'am. I hope you make a purchase of or two from our beautiful collection today, because it is at 30% off only for 24 hours. Alright, so let me show you the red sari as requested by Shikha Sharma here. There you go, a red sari for you. And this is in the combination with navy blue here. And we have florals on the entire body. And you can see floral jal work actually on the entire body in gold zari work. Then comes the border of the sari. You will find slightly bronze colored zari work here. Complete thread weaving work also you will find on the borders of the sari. Here is the pallu, contrasting in color along with diamond shaped buttis. And similar to the pallu, we have the blouse piece. Again, diamond shaped buttis on the entire blouse piece, and it is in contrasting color. Goes very beautifully with the red color. Alright, let me show you the pricing details. The sari code is CH606. Actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we have Bhargavi ji here again saying, hi, I would like to see chiffon khadi Banarsi sari collection. तो मैम मैं आपको बता दूं कि आज जो हमारा लाइव शो है ये बनारसी कोरा साड़ीज़ का है, बट अगर आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आप ये पाएंगे कि हम ऐसी साड़ीज़ के काफ़ी वीडियोस बना चुके हैं। और यदि आप अपने पसंद का साड़ी अलग से देखना चाहें तो वीडियो कॉलिंग फैसिलिटी भी अवेल कर सकते हैं। बस आपको व्हाट्सएप पे एक मैसेज डालना है जो कि है 9852985299 पर। हम एक वीडियो कॉलिंग क्या बोलते हैं अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करेंगे आपके लिए, वहाँ से फिर हम आपको आपकी पर्सनल चॉइस की साड़ी दिखा देंगे। ऑलराइट, so then we have Mukti here saying your sari really lovely. Thank you so much Mukti ma'am. अगर आप ये साड़ी खरीदना चाहते हैं so please you can take a screenshot of it, send it to our WhatsApp number directly, that is 9852985299. From there you can shop very easily. Okay, so then we have Sonali here saying a very nice combination. Thank you so much for your lovely feedback. And then we have Varsha here. Varsha says hi to us. A very hello to you, Varsha ma'am. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please go to YouTube, search the name Kala Mandir and subscribe to our channel. Also get notified every time we upload a new video. Similarly, on Facebook it is Kala Mandir, and on Instagram it is Kala Mandir Fashions. Okay, so let's check out the next sari for now. Very gorgeous collection for you all. Now this is in the color orange with a combination of dark green. Have a look at the body. You will find florals in gold zari work. Then comes the border of the sari, contrasting in color, dark green along with thread weaving work and gold zari weaving work all over it. A very beautiful sari, subtle, simple, light weighted. And then here is the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting in color, and you will find raindrop putties all over it. And now for the blouse piece, like I told you, pallu has raindrop buttis all over it. The blouse piece is also the same, contrasting in color with the raindrop buttis all over it. There you go, it looks very beautiful. The color combination orange and green. Here is the pricing details. Sari code is CH603, actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 98529852299. Alright, moving on and seeing the next sari. So let me also tell you that free shipping and cash on delivery is available all across India. Okay, here is the next sari. One more of a red sari for Miss Shikha who wanted to see a red color sari. There you go, another of a red sari for you. Now this is in the combination with navy blue again, but you'll find different prints on the body. Very beautiful work of zari. Florals on the entire sari as well as the border. Here is the pallu. You'll find buttis all over the pallu, contrasting in color, and similar to the pallu is the blouse piece here. There you go. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code is CH587, actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 98529852299. So let us move ahead and see the next sari. I have a very gorgeous color combination of red and green coming up for you all. My personal favorite combination. There you go. Here it is. And this is kind of similar to the sari that I am wearing. So somebody who was asking for my sari details, there you go. You can check this out as well. Body is completely covered with florals. And this is all box shaped design. And then comes the border of the sari, which is contrasting in color, beautiful red with floral design all over it. And here is the pallu of the sari, which is completely covered with buttis all over it. Pallu of the sari, okay? And this is the blouse piece, contrasting blouse piece with buttis all over it, and this is all gold zari work only. So we have a viewer here saying, Surekha Gupta ji, तो आप पूछ रहे हैं कि साड़ी का बैक साइड दिखाने के लिए, तो अगर आपका मतलब ये है तो हैव अ लुक एट इट. और ये है बैक साइड बॉडी का. Body as well as the border, contrasting blue border to this sari. Here comes the pallu of the sari, which is again contrasting color and buttis all over it. See, the entire sari is covered with zari work, and it is all gold zari work only that I'll be showing you today. Here is the blouse piece, similar to our pallu. Floral design all over it. Now comes the pricing details. Sari code CH576, actual price 3,950 rupees, and offer price is 2,770 rupees. Screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So like I told you all, you can avail our video calling facility, and also free shipping and cash on delivery is available all throughout India. Let me also tell you that if you have any feedback, queries or suggestions that you want to know about this sari, or simply give a feedback to our shows, our saris, what you can do is drop in a message on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Alright, let's move on and see the next sari. I have a yellow color sari coming up. Wow, this is in the combination now with a blue color. There you go. Check out the entire body, has florals all over it. Full gold zari work. Then is the border of the sari, blue in color, along with thread weaving work and zari weaving work. Here is a pallu, which is contrast in color and completely zari woven, and this time you will find floral patterns here along with zigzag designs. Now, similar to the pallu of the sari, we have the blouse piece, full floral patterns with zigzag lines all over it. I hope you can see it clearly. It's a very gorgeous piece. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH572, actual price 3,950 rupees. Offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Let me remind you all that this sari collection is called Banarsi Kora weaving saris. Also, it is at 30% off only for 24 hours. Okay, let us move on and see the next sari that I have for you all. A very beautiful collection here, and I'm extremely pleased to be showing you all these saris. There you go. Have a look at the body closely. Floral work on the entire body. Contrasting border along with florals in thread weaving and zari weaving work. Here is the pallu, contrasting in color with florals all over it, again in zari work. And then this is the blouse piece to go with the sari, contrasting in color. Very beautiful combination of pink and blue. Sari details. Sari code is CH593, actual price 3,950 rupees, and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let me also tell you all that if you want to check out other various collections, what you can do is just simply go to our website, that is called www.kalamandir.com. From there also you can shop very easily and get great discounts all throughout the year. Okay, I'll move on and show you a different combination. This time we have a blue and green color sari coming up, sky blue and parrot green combination. There you go. A very simple sari but very elegant. Check out the work on the body. It is full zari work in florals. Then the border, which is green in color with zari work all over it. Complete floral designs on the pallu as well, again contrasting in color. And same goes for the blouse piece, contrasting with floral design all over it. Let me show you the pricing details. Sari code is CH614 and actual price is 3,950 rupees. Offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, moving on, and I'll show you another red color sari. Now this is in the combination of navy blue again. Very beautiful sari. There you go. Like I told, it's a very beautiful sari. You will find different floral work on this sari compared to the one that I showed you before. Lovely florals in gold zari work. Here comes the border, contrasting with bronze zari work all over it. This is the pallu of the sari, which is a bit of contrasting in color towards the bottom of the pallu, and you will find this floral buttis all over it. And similar to the pallu, we have our blouse piece for this sari, full floral booty work all over it. There you go. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH580. Actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we have Vimla here saying hi to us. Vimla ji, very welcome to our show and a very hello to you. Since I'm seeing you first time on our live show, ma'am, I will request you to go and subscribe to our channel. Also watch our videos every day because we have fantastic collections to show to you all. Okay, so I'll move on and show you the next sari here. Very beautiful combination of pink and green. So here you go. First of a pink and green sari from this collection for you all. And as you see, it has beautiful floral work on the entire body, daisy flowers on the entire body you will see. And here is the contrasting beautiful pink border, florals on the entire border, and here is the contrasting pallu for this sari. Again, floral shaped buttis all over it. And same goes for the blouse piece, floral buttis, contrasting color. There you go, very beautiful pink and green sari. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH584. Actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, to all the viewers, do you know how to follow our social media handles? Please, if not, go check out this video and I will be right back.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మీ నవ్య స్వామి. సో ఐఎమ్ హియర్ అట్ కళామందిర్ స్టోర్స్ టుడే. నిజం చెప్పాలి అంటే కలెక్షన్స్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి, చాలా వైడ్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అండ్ దే ఆర్ బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ. అండ్ ఇంకొక కొత్త విషయం, కళామందిర్ వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్ని మొదలు పెట్టారు. సో మీరు ఇంట్లో కూర్చుని షాపింగ్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ పేజ్ కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి, ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ యూట్యూబ్ పేజ్ కళామందిర్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Off only for 24 hours, so stay tuned and shop with us. We have Sunita here asking for Kanchipuram sarees. So ma'am, right now I'm showing Banarsi sarees, but if you wish to check out Kanchipuram sarees, what you can do is please go to YouTube, check out the name Kala Mandir and you will find a lot of Kanchipuram saree collection out there, okay? Or else you can go to our main website also, that is www.kalamandir.com. So right now I'll show you the sari that I'm holding on to from Banarsi Kora Weaving Sarees. Here you go. It's a navy blue sari with a combination of yellow. Then comes the floral work on the entire body in bronze zari work. And here is the contrasting border to the sari, full gold zari work on it. Here is the pallu, contrasting in color. And you will find full brocade work all over it. And this is all gold zari work only. Let me show you the blouse piece on this sari. Here is a blouse piece completely covered with brocade work on it and it is in contrasting color as well. Pricing details, sari code is CH616, actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. We have a new viewer here whose name is Pallavi and Pallavi says hi. A very hello to you Pallavi ma'am and welcome to our show. And since you have just joined, let me tell you that this collection is called Banarsi Kora Weaving Sarees and it is at 30% off only for 24 hours. Okay, so I will move on and show you the next beautiful color combination, pink and blue. This time the pink is on the body, blue is on the border. There you go. Florals on the entire body, gold zari work. Then comes the border of the sari which is contrasting in color and has zari woven work all over it. Here is the pallu of the sari which is completely zari woven again and has brocade work all over it. Similarly for the blouse piece, contrasting color and full brocade work on it. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH569, actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, so we have another regular viewer here named Bakshika saying hi. A very hello to you, ma'am, and welcome to our live show from today. Also, I will request you start placing your favorite color request to us. If I have it, I will show it to you. And as I told in the beginning of the show, I have a lot of green, pink, red, yellow, orange today for you all. Next up is a orange, yellow colored sari in blue combination. There you go. एंड जैसा आप देख सकते हैं इस साड़ी के बॉडी पर आप पाएंगे फ्लोरल वर्क गोल्ड जरी में। फिर आता है इस साड़ी का बॉर्डर जो कि है कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर एंड इस पे आप थ्रेड वीविंग का काम भी देख सकते हैं और जरी का काम भी देख सकते हैं। ये है इस साड़ी का पल्लू जो कि ब्रोकेड वर्क से किया गया है एंड पूरा का पूरा गोल्ड जरी का काम ही है इस पे। एंड जैसा हमारा पल्लू है वैसा ही इसका ब्लाउज है फुल ब्रोकेड वर्क में एंड ये है कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर। सो ब्लू एंड येलो कॉम्बिनेशन। प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स चेक कर लें। सारी कोड है CH568, एक्चुअल प्राइस 3,950 रुपीज़ और ऑफर प्राइस है 2,770 रुपीज़। टू प्लेस एन ऑर्डर टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, सेंड इट टू आवर व्हाट्सएप नंबर 9852985299। सो लेट्स चेक आउट द नेक्स्ट साड़ी। उससे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि फ्री शिपिंग और कैश ऑन डिलीवरी अवेलेबल है ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट अप इज एन ऑरेंज कलर साड़ी विथ अ डार्क ग्रीन कॉम्बिनेशन। देयर यू गो, a very beautiful combination I feel, and it is not too bright. Have a look at it. It's a very beautiful sari with gold zari work on the entire body. Then comes the border contrasting in color with floral design all over it. Here is the pallu of the sari contrasting in color and has full brocade work on like towards the bottom of the pallu you will find all brocade work, and similarly on our blouse piece you will find full brocade work. Okay, and it is in contrasting color. Very beautiful combination of orange and green. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH551, actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we have another of our regular viewer here named Deepa saying hi to us. So very hello to you and welcome to our live show. I am showing a very beautiful collection here today and I will request you all to start placing your orders soon because this offer of 30% on this collection is valid only for 24 hours. Okay. So up next is this beautiful parrot green and pink colored sari. Very good combination and florals again on the entire body. And then comes the border of the sari, which is pink in color, and you will find full floral work all over it along with zari work. Here is the pallu of the sari, which is completely covered with brocade work on it, contrasting in color. And then comes the blouse piece, contrasting in color and full brocade work all over it. A very beautiful combination. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CH553, actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let us move on and check out the next sari. Very beautiful color combinations that I have today, and we have a viewer here requesting for purple sari. Nidhi Sharma ji, मेरे को थोड़ा ज़रा डाउट है कि मेरे पास आज पर्पल साड़ी है कि नहीं, बट अगर आपको आपके पसंद का कलर आज देखने ना मिले तो आप हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे ज़रूर एक मैसेज डाल दीजिएगा। वहाँ से हम आपके लिए एक वीडियो कॉलिंग रिक्वेस्ट की अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करेंगे। फिर हम आपको आपकी पसंद की कलेक्शन या पसंद की कलर दिखा देंगे. बट राइट नाउ आई हैव ग्रीन, ऑरेंज, येलो, pink and red collection. So if you like any of these colors, please shop with us. So we have Neha Singh saying you speak good Hindi. I wonder where you're from. Lovely collection today, ma'am. Neha ji, thank you so much for your beautiful compliment here. Also, yes, I have learnt Hindi back in school, so that's how I know Hindi. So right now I'm showing a very beautiful red and blue combination sari. As you see, lovely work of florals on the entire body in gold zari work, and then comes the contrasting border to this sari, which is blue in color, floral work all over it. And here is the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting and has full brocade work going on it. Now for the blouse piece of the sari, it is completely brocade work, gold zari work, and it is in contrasting color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH562, actual price 3,950 and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, so I have a beautiful green color sari coming up for you all. It is going to be the similar sari as mine. Let me show you this one. Red and green combination, and it's the most loved combination by everybody. So here is a red and green with florals on the entire body and full gold zari work you will find on the entire sari. Now this is the border of the sari, slightly broad, common in all the saris from today's collection. And then you will find floral work in thread weaving and gold zari weaving as well. Here is the pallu of the sari, very beautiful pallu, simple subtle pallu with gold zari brocade work. And similarly for the blouse piece, you will find full brocade work in floral design and in contrasting color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH574, actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we have Bhola Sinha here reacting, sending emojis. Thank you so much. And then we have Pinky Gupta saying nice collection. Pinky ji, thank you so much for your lovely compliment. Please हमारे शो को आखिर तक देखते रहे, क्योंकि आज हमारे पास बहुत ही बढ़िया कलेक्शन है, बहुत ही सॉफ्ट और लाइट वेटेड साड़ीज़ है, जिसे हम कहते हैं बनारसी कोरा वीविंग साड़ीज़. वीविंग बिकॉज इस पे सारा जरी का वीविंग काम किया गया है. So there you go, orange and green combination now. Florals all over the body. Complete floral jal work you will find on the body here. And bit of thread weaving work in between. Then comes the border of the sari, which is contrasting in color. And you'll find full gold zari weaving work on it. Here is the pallu of the sari, which has full brocade work, floral brocade work all over it. And then comes the blouse piece for this sari, which is this side, which is again contrasting in color and has floral brocades all over it. Let's see the pricing details. Sari code is CH570, actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So if you happen to miss out on any of the saris that I'm showing today, or just simply want to check any other collection, what you can do is go to YouTube, search the name Kala Mandir, and you can check out all our videos from there. And for the saris that you miss out during this show, just take a note of the sari code, go in the description box below, you will find all the sari codes in there, okay? Now let us move on and check out the next sari. I have a dark blue sari coming up for you all. It's a navy blue sari to be precise, with yellow combination this time. Floral jal on the entire body. Now this is all bronze zari work, and on the border you will find gold zari work with thread weaving work also. The entire sari is covered with florals. Here is the pallu of the sari with floral brocade all over it, again contrasting in color. And then for the blouse piece, here is the blouse piece, contrasting color with floral brocade all over it. Very beautiful combination, also a very unique combination of blue and yellow. Here is the pricing details. CH594, actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, next sari, and I will show the saris little faster now because most of the saris are same. I'll only show you the color combinations and little variations on it. There you go. This is a red and blue combination now. Floral jal, gold zari work combination. You can see dark blue color here. Pallu is contrasting in zari woven, and same for the blouse piece. There you go, contrasting in color with floral butties all over it. Pricing details, sari code will be CH589, actual price 3,950 rupees, offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, I'll show you the next color combination. I have a parrot green and magenta color coming up for you all. There you go. Again, similar. All the saris are similar. The work on the body is floral jal with gold zari work. Contrasting border to the sari. Thread weaving and zari weaving work. Pallu contrasting in color along with floral brocade. And here is the blouse piece to go with this sari, which is again contrasting in color and floral brocade all over it. Pricing details are sari code CH583, actual price 3,950, offer price 2,770. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So, next combination is again pink and blue, very beautiful combination. There you go, pink blue combination, floral jal on the entire body, contrasting border with floral jal, brocade work on the pallu in contrasting color, and blouse piece is similar to the pallu with floral brocade contrasting color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH609, actual price 3,950 and offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Moving on, and I have a blue and green sari coming up for you. Blue on the body, green on the border. Again floral jal on the entire body. फिर आता है इसका बॉर्डर जो कि कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर में है और इस पे आप देख सकते हैं जरी का काम भी किया गया है और थ्रेड वीविंग का काम भी किया गया है. फिर आता है साड़ी का पल्लू, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर, और इस पे आप पाएंगे फ्लोरल ब्रोकेड वर्क. एंड जैसा हमारा पल्लू है वैसा ही हमारा ब्लाउज पीस है, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर और इस पे आता है फ्लोरल ब्रोकेड का काम. ओके, पिंक एंड ब्लू कॉम्बिनेशन. प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स देख लें एक बार. साड़ी कोड CH573, एक्चुअल प्राइस 3,950 एंड ऑफर प्राइस 2,770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. चलिए अगला कलर कॉम्बिनेशन देख लेते हैं, येलो एंड नेवी ब्लू. ये रहा येलो और नेवी ब्लू कॉम्बिनेशन आपके लिए. एंड इसकी पूरी बॉडी पर आप पाएंगे थ्रेड वीविंग वर्क एंड जरी वीविंग वर्क. फिर आता है साड़ी का बॉर्डर, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर में है और इस पे हल्का सा अलग सा काम किया गया है. फ्लोरल्स है और थ्रेड वीविंग में भी है, जरी वीविंग में भी, और ज़रा सा आप सिल्वर जरी का काम भी देख सकते हैं इस पे. फिर आता है साड़ी का पल्लू. ये है ब्रोकेड वर्क कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर में और इसका ब्लाउज पीस भी सेम पल्लू जैसा ही है. प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स देख लें. साड़ी कोड CH612, actual price 3,950 and offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 98529852999. Moving on, and I'll show you one more green and red combination sari that I have for you all. Same floral jal work only, so I'll just show you the color combination. There you go, red and green, floral jal, contrasting border, contrast zari woven pallu, and this is slightly in a light gold color. And as for the blouse piece, same brocade work on it. Pricing details for this piece: sari code CH555, actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 98529852999. So next up, I'll show you orange and green color combination. Very beautiful sari. There you go. Light weighted saris and absolutely soft sari. Floral jal on the entire body. Then comes the contrasting border, and in this sari you will find silver zari work on the border. And here is the pallu of the sari. Diamond shaped buttis all over it. And as for the blouse piece, it's a mix of silver zari and gold zari work, okay, and it's in contrasting color. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CH555. Sari code is CH556. Actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 98529852999. So yes, to all my viewers, अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कि हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल को कैसे फॉलो करें, प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को देख लीजिए अभी और मैं जल्दी वापस आऊँगी.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back everybody, and let me continue presenting to you this very beautiful collection from Kala Mandir that is called Banarsi Kora Weaving Saris, and it is at 30% off only for 24 hours. So let us begin with the saris, and here is a blue and green combination, and as already told you, common in all the saris, floral jal on the full body. Entire body is covered with gold zari work, floral jal, contrasting border to this sari, silver zari, gold zari and thread weaving work. Here is the pallu of the sari, contrasting in color with diamond shaped buttis all over it. Similarly for the blouse piece, same diamond shaped buttis all over it and in contrasting color. Alright, let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CH591, actual price 3,950, offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 98529852999. Okay, moving on and seeing the next sari. Very beautiful collection here today, also at 30% off. There you go, another of a pink and blue combination. I will not explain the sari too much, you've already seen a similar one. Floral jal, gold zari work, contrasting border, contrasting pallu. You'll find full zari work, and then comes the contrasting blouse piece. Sari details for this pink and blue sari. Sari code CH615, actual price 3,950 rupees, offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 98529852999. Okay, next up is a pink and green sari. I will only show you the color combination, not explaining in depth now. There you go, full zari work on the sari, and then comes the border of the sari, full zari work on it in florals. Pallu of the sari is completely covered with floral brocade. And then comes the blouse piece, which is contrasting in color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code CH547, actual price 3,950, offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, few more saris to go from this beautiful collection here, after which I will show you the mannequin pieces, okay? Next up is an orange and green combination, another one of an orange sari, full floral jal work in gold zari work, contrasting border to the sari in florals. Pallu is contrasting again, and you will find zari work all over it. This is brocade work and a brocade work blouse piece to go with this sari in contrasting color. Sari details are sari code CH560, actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. I have another of a pink and blue coming up for you all, a very beautiful color combination, and I have too many designs, floral designs on for this particular color combination. There you go, florals in floral jal, and you'll find thread weaving work in between. Here comes the border of the sari, contrasting in color along with thread weaving work. Pallu is contrasting and has zari woven work all over it. This is all brocade work, and similar to the pallu, you will find the blouse piece having the same brocade work all over it, contrasting in color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code CH557, actual price 2,770 rupees and offer price, I beg your pardon, the actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. And next up is a yellow and blue color sari, very gorgeous collection here, and as I keep saying, do subscribe to our channel so you keep getting all our latest videos every time we upload it. So here is the blue and yellow combination sari, floral jal on the entire body. This is all gold zari work, and the contrasting border here again has zari weaving work all over it in floral design. Here is the pallu of the sari, which has brocade work all over it. And then comes the blouse piece, which is again brocade work and in contrasting color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH548. Actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, moving on and seeing the next sari. Also, meanwhile, let me tell you that we are providing free shipping and cash on delivery all across India. Here is another of a blue and green combination. On the entire body, you will find a mix of silver and gold zari work, floral jal. Here is the border of the sari contrasting in color along with floral work all over it. Then comes the pallu of the sari, contrast zari woven, full brocade work going on all over it, and the same brocade work you will find on the blouse piece as well. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CH567, actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I have another of a green and red combination sari coming up for you all, and this time it has a silver and gold zari mix combination on it. Let me show it to you. There you go, floral jal on the entire body, dark green sari with red combination. The border is contrasting in color along with silver zari work and bronze zari work on it, and a bit of gold zari work going on here with thread weaving. Contrasting pallu with a sari with brocade all over it in silver zari work. And then comes the blouse piece, which is completely covered with floral brocade work and is in contrasting color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH566. Actual price 3,950 rupees. Offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Moving on and seeing the next sari. Very gorgeous collection here for you all today. There you go. A red and navy blue combination. Full floral jal work on the body. Contrasting border with florals again. Contrast zari woven pallu with floral brocade work. And then comes the blouse piece with full brocade work all over it and contrasting color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH561. Actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I have a lovely color combination coming up for you all in green and red again, but this time the floral designs are slightly different. Let me explain to you this beautiful sari with floral design all over it. There you go, you'll find leaf-shaped designs with smaller veins of flowers. Then comes a contrasting border, thread weaving design, and this beautiful larger floral design here. Contrast zari woven pallu to go with the sari. And to pair with it, we have a brocade work blouse piece. Okay, so let's move on and check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH550. Actual price is 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, the next sari now, orange and green combination sari. There you go, floral jal on the entire body. Then comes the border of the sari, which is contrasting in color and has the same floral design all over it. And here is the brocade work pallu along with the blouse piece that is also covered in brocade work only. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH558. Actual price 3,950. Offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Moving on and showing you the last few pieces left from our shelf collection here, and then I'll move on to the mannequin pieces. Pink and blue sari, again in the similar floral design. The leaf shaped design that I told you about, there you go, have a look at it closely. Floral jal on the entire body and contrasting border covered in florals. Pallu is contrast zari woven. And then comes the brocade work blouse piece. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code CH559. Actual price 3,950 rupees and offer price is 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, next piece is pink and green in color, again in the same leaf design on the body. There you go, pink and green leaf design on the entire body with floral veins. Gold zari work on the border, contrasting color. This is the pallu of the sari, which is completely covered in brocade work and contrasting color. And then comes the brocade work blouse piece for this sari. Pricing details, sari code CH554. Actual price 3,950 rupees. Offer price 2,770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So, next sari, second last sari from our shelf collection here, blue and yellow combination sari. There you go. Blue and yellow combination. लीफ डिज़ाइन जैसे आप देख सकते हैं पूरी बॉडी पर है. गोल्ड जरी वर्क, फिर आता है कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग बॉर्डर इस साड़ी का, और इस पर भी आप पाएंगे सिल्वर जरी और गोल्ड जरी का काम. फिर आता है साड़ी का पल्लू जिस पे ब्रोकेड का काम किया गया है, ब्रोकेड वर्क जिसे हम बोलते हैं, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर में. एंड ये है इस साड़ी का ब्लाउज पीस जो कि है कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर और इस पर भी पूरा ब्रोकेट का काम किया गया है। प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स एक बार देख लें। साड़ी कोड CH564, एक्चुअल प्राइस 3950 and offer price 2770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So अब आता है इस शेल्फ कलेक्शन का लास्ट साड़ी। इसके बाद मैं आपको मैनिक्विन पीसेस दिखाऊंगी। रेड एंड ब्लू कॉम्बिनेशन साड़ी और इस पर भी लीफ डिज़ाइन का काम किया गया है। जैसे आप देख सकते हैं इस पर लीफ डिज़ाइन और फ्लोरल वेन डिज़ाइन है एंड ये पूरा का पूरा गोल्ड जरी में किया गया है। साथों साथ इसका बॉर्डर जो कि कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर में है, इस पर आप पाएंगे ब्रॉन्ज जरी वर्क और सिल्वर जरी वर्क। फिर आता है साड़ी का पल्लू जो कि ब्रॉन्ज जरी वर्क से कवर किया गया है और इसे हम कहते हैं ब्रोकेड डिज़ाइन। और ये है साड़ी का ब्लाउज पीस, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर और इस पर भी ब्रोकेड का काम किया गया है। प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स दिखा दूँ आपको। साड़ी कोड CH563, एक्चुअल प्राइस 3950 rupees and offer price 2770 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we have come to the end of the show where I show you the mannequin pieces. Let's move on and check out this beautiful green and pink sari on the mannequin. Lovely box design on the body of the sari in gold zari work. You'll find full floral designs on the entire sari along with the border which is contrasting in color and has zari woven work all over it. And for the pallu of the sari, it is going to be contrasting in color with drop design all over it. And now for the blouse piece, it is the same as the pallu, brocade work all over it. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CH571, actual price 3950, offer price 2770 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, moving on and checking out the second last piece from our beautiful collection here today. Here is an orange and green sari for you all. Have a look at it. Silver zari work on the entire body along with gold zari floral booties. Then comes the border of the sari which is contrasting in color and has floral design all over it along with thread weaving work. And for the pallu of this sari, it is going to be contrasting in color with brocade work all over it. Similarly for the blouse piece, brocade work, contrasting color. Have a look at the pricing details. Sari code is CH598, actual price 3950 rupees and offer price 2770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we are going to see our last piece from our beautiful collection here. Have a look at this yellow and blue combination sari. Lovely floral jal on the entire body in gold zari work. Then comes the border of the sari, contrasting blue in color with zari woven floral design. Then we have the pallu of the sari, contrasting color, brocade design, and similarly blouse piece is brocade work and contrasting in color. Let me show you the pricing details for this sari. Sari code is CH602, actual price 3950 and offer price 2770 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I hope you all enjoyed our beautiful collection from Kalamandir today that is called Banarsi Kora Weaving Sarees, and it is at 30% off only for 24 hours. So stay tuned with us and I will be back with yet another collection very soon with great discounts for you all. Till then, stay safe. This is Kartika signing off.
హాయ్, నేను మీ మీనావాసు. మీ ఇంట్లో ప్రతి ఒక్క అకేషన్కి కళామందిర్లోనే షాపింగ్ చేయండి. వెరీ ఫ్రెండ్లీ అండ్ బడ్జెట్ షాపింగ్ అండి. ఆన్లైన్లో కూడా అందుబాటులో ఉంది. డూ ఫాలో ఇన్స్టా కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్, యూట్యూబ్ అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్ కళామందిర్. కళామందిర్ షోరూమ్స్ కర్ణాటక, తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రాలో ఉన్నాయి. నమస్తే.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.